Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa if you're new here, and let me say this, girl, I am living for this look. This is like, I don't even know what to call it. Like, I feel like a unicorn, fairy princess. Everything is, I don't even know. I don't know. I feel like I'm in like a fairy tale and it's named after me. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. But I hope you guys like this tutorial, and yeah, let's just hop right in because I'm gonna get way too carried away because this look is just speaking for itself. So let's just hop right into the video. Alright guys, so I have already did my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids. So now we will be jumping right into eyeshadow, and if you hear any noise, it's because it is storming and I have my dog in here because he is a puppy and he is afraid of storms. So if you guys hear anything, just ignore it. It's because I have a little monster in my room. So let's jump right in. Alrighty guys, so hopping right into the eye look. I already did one eye, so now we will be doing this side. So we are starting off with the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. I love this palette. It is so cute, so pigmented. And we will be hopping into Young and Free, the pink shade. And we will be popping that in the crease. While we are popping in the crease, we will be blending in windshield wiper motions. This way it'll give us a gradient look. She's pigmented. Now, to add more depth into the crease, we will be dipping into the NYX Ultimate Palette, into the hot pink shade. And while applying that, you want to keep it more in depth. So after we blend that out, we will be dipping into the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, into the very hot pink shade. And we will be popping that even lower in the crease. And you want to pat it in more so it is more pigmented. And then we will take a clean blending brush and we will just blend it all together. For this, you want to go very light-handed. Now for the outer edges, we will be dipping into the NYX Ultimate Palette and the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. And we will be mixing the red sparkly shade and the red matte shade. And we will be popping that on the outer crease. And we will be doing the same thing for the inner crease. We will now blend it out with the same brush. And this will just make it all come together. And for the glitter part, for the spotlight eye, we will be popping the Too Faced Life is a Festival palette. And we will be taking Mystic Rain. She's so pigmented and so pretty, guys. Watch. And we will be popping that right in the center of the eye. And now we will be going back in with the red shades and blending the edges back out. popping black liner on my eyelid, and this will seal it all together. Using the Benefit Roller Lash. What's wrong? Why are you crying? So now that I have my lashes on, these are the Style Juice by Luxe Rebellion. Use my code Alyssa in all caps for a discount. And now that I have my lashes and my eyes done, we will hop right into the face, and I will be priming my face with the Benefit POREfessional primer. Alrighty guys, now that my face is primed, we will hop right into foundation, and I'm using the same foundation I always use, the FitMe foundation by Maybelline, shade 120. This is my favorite foundation. Honestly, I don't think I've ever used a different foundation because it's awesome. And I like how they give you a variety. You can pick dewy and smooth, or you can pick matte and poreless. And I usually switch around, but I do like the dewy and smooth better. But I grabbed the wrong one last time, and I get mine from Walmart. And to stain concealer, I always use the e.l.f. concealer. I feel like a pretty princess. Now we will set the base with our Maybelline loose powder, and we will be right back. Guys, I discovered a new technique for when you use bronzer. Instead of smearing it, like dragging it down your face, you actually press it in, and it'll give a more airbrush effect, and it'll look more natural. Because whenever I like smear it down my face, it looks like I like put mud on my face. And I won't be applying a ton of bronzer to this look because I want to apply more blush. I want to be super duper pink and warm tone. I do like a 3. I go from the forehead to here to here. And I'm gonna go a little heavier than I usually do with this. So. Blushed away, okay? She is like pink. god, I love blush so much. Alright, now we will be doing our highlight, and for highlight we will be using the, hold on, I gotta get it out, Moonchild palette by Anastasia. And guys, don't come for me, I got this palette like right when it dropped, so it's a little dusty, but we will be hopping into the pink heart because it has a pink undertone. For the lips, I will be using this MAC lip gloss in shade 11, and I got this, a couple of these from a friend like a long time ago, so I don't really know if they're like discontinued or anything, so don't come at me for that. But it's a very subtle pink undertone lip gloss, and it has sparkles in it, and it is just so cute. She is cute. I like this lip gloss. It has like a weird smell to it, but she's cute. I like her. So, she makes the lips look juicy. Alrighty guys, I popped on some hot pink on the lower lash line, and I applied some bottom mascara and some white liner in the waterline, and this look has finally came together. I'm living for it. I feel like Pinkie Pie in this look. Like, who's telling me what? Okay, my nails match, kinda, not really, but it's pink, so and yeah, I'm so living, like living. Alright guys, this is the final result of the look. I am living for it. I hope you are living for it as much as I am. And these eye, like this eye is speaking, okay, for itself. It's like boom, like dramatic. And I'm living for it. It's bringing out my eye color, my green eyes, and I feel cute. I feel like a fairy, unicorn, princess. I don't know, everything. But I hope you guys like this tutorial. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and comment some new ideas for me. I want some anything. Comment new colors for me to try out. Anything, and I'll do it for you guys. It's just, yeah. I hope you guys like it.